Life has these moments where it feels like everything inside you is just shattered. You wake up in the morning and the weight on your chest seems like it's too much to handle from yesterday. Your dreams seem so far away, and the voice inside your head just whispers, "Maybe I'm not strong enough." You start questioning yourself, your purpose, your worth, and your path. You look around and everyone seems fine. But deep down, you're hurting. But listen to me carefully. It's not always the end. Broken doesn't mean you've lost. Sometimes it's where true strength starts. Because it's in the darkest parts that light shows up. It's when you're hurting the most that you start to discover who you really are. You see, pain has a purpose. Every struggle is making you strong. Every storm is shaping you, preparing you for something greater. You may not see it now, but one day you'll look back and notice that the moments you thought would destroy you were actually the moments that defined you. The truth is, nobody becomes unbreakable without first being broken. Nobody learns strength without facing storms. Nobody finds their fire without walking through the dark. So when it feels like everything is falling apart, remember, sometimes life breaks you up just so you can rebuild stronger than ever. You have already made it through things you thought would crush you once upon a time. You've stood back up when no one believed you could. And here you are, still here and still fighting. That's what power is. That's what resilience is. That's who you are. So don't give up now. Your story isn't over yet. The pain you feel today will become the strength you carry tomorrow. You are not broken beyond repair. You are breaking out of a new version of yourself. And when one day you look back and realize that the moments you thought would destroy you were actually the moments that made you stronger. The truth is, no one becomes unbreakable without first being broken. No one learns strength without facing storms. No one finds their fire without walking through the dark. So keep moving forward, because this is not your end. It's your beginning. Remember, even broken wings can still fly.